The future is now, AI video creation. We live in a visual world. Video dominates. It's how we consume information, how we connect, how we share our stories. But creating high-quality videos? Often time-consuming, often expensive, often requires specialized skills. What if there was a better way? What if you could harness the power of artificial intelligence to make stunning videos, effortlessly? Introducing InVideo AI, the future of video creation. InVideo AI is a revolutionary tool. It uses the magic of AI to transform your ideas into captivating videos. Imagine this: you have a story to tell, a product to launch, a message to share. But you lack the time, resources, or expertise for traditional video production. InVideo AI changes everything. Simply input your ideas, a script, a blog post, even a YouTube link. The AI takes over. It generates a compelling narrative, finds the perfect stock footage, adds music, voiceovers, and sound effects, all in minutes. InVideo AI isn't just about ease, it's about empowerment. It breaks down the barriers that prevent people from sharing their stories. No longer do you need expensive software or technical expertise. InVideo AI makes professional quality video creation accessible to everyone, from entrepreneurs to educators, from marketers to musicians. InVideo AI empowers you to create, to engage, to inspire. Get ready to unlock your video potential with InVideo AI. At the heart of InVideo AI lies a simple, powerful idea. Your words matter. Your ideas deserve to be seen. That's why InVideo AI starts with you, with your vision. Input your script, share a blog post that inspires you, or even paste a YouTube link. The AI analyzes your words. It understands your message. It grasps the emotions you want to evoke. This is where the magic begins. The transformation from text to video. Your words become the foundation for a captivating visual story. Section 2. The AI Engine. InVideo's creative brain. Behind the scenes of InVideo AI is a sophisticated artificial intelligence engine. This engine is the creative powerhouse driving the entire video creation process. It's not just about stringing together random clips. InVideo AI's engine understands narrative. It knows how to engage viewers. It analyzes your input, identifies key themes and emotions. Then, it gets to work, crafting a video that captures the essence of your message. This is AI at its best, not replacing human creativity but amplifying it, empowering you to achieve more. Section 3. Visual storytelling, finding the perfect footage. A great video is more than just words, it's about visuals that resonate, images that evoke emotion. InVideo AI understands this. It doesn't just grab random stock footage, it searches through a vast library of high-quality clips, curated for their visual impact and storytelling potential. The AI selects the perfect visuals to complement your message, footage that aligns with your brand's aesthetic, images that will captivate your audience. This intelligent selection process ensures that every frame of your video contributes to a cohesive and engaging visual narrative. Section 4. The Sound of Success, Music and Audio Enhancement. Sound is crucial for an immersive video experience. The right music sets the mood, sound effects enhance key moments, and a clear voiceover brings your message to life. InVideo AI recognizes the power of audio. That's why it doesn't just stop at visuals. It elevates your video with a carefully curated selection of music and sound effects. Choose from a diverse library of royalty-free tracks, from upbeat and motivational to calming and reflective. Add subtle sound effects to emphasize key moments and transitions. InVideo AI even allows you to record or upload your own voiceover, giving your video a personal touch that resonates with viewers. Section 5. Your vision realized, a polished video in minutes. As the AI engine works its magic, your video starts to take shape. But InVideo AI doesn't stop there. It goes the extra mile. Seamless transitions are added between scenes, keeping viewers engaged and the flow natural. Text overlays and captions appear at just the right moment, reinforcing key messages and making your video accessible to a wider audience. The result? A polished, professional quality video, created in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. And the best part? This is just the beginning. InVideo AI gives you the power to further customize and refine your video. Section 1. Beyond the basics. Unleashing the power of features. InVideo AI's core functionality is impressive on its own. Transforming text prompts into polished videos in minutes? That's revolutionary. But InVideo AI doesn't stop there. It goes beyond the basics, offering a suite of advanced features designed to take your videos from good to extraordinary. These features aren't just bells and whistles, they are powerful tools, giving you unprecedented control over your video's style, message, and impact. Let's dive into some of the standout features that make InVideo AI a true game changer. Section 2. The Sound of You voice. Cloning for personalized narration. Imagine this, your video plays, but it's not just any narrator bringing your story to life. It's your voice, your tone, your unique way of speaking. InVideo AI's voice cloning feature makes this a reality. With just a few minutes of recorded audio, the AI can create a digital twin of your voice. This cloned voice can then be used to narrate your entire video, adding a level of authenticity and personal touch that's impossible to achieve with stock voiceovers. Whether you're an entrepreneur sharing your vision or an educator explaining a complex concept, voice cloning makes your video instantly more engaging and relatable. Section 3. Breaking language barriers. Video translation for global reach. In today's interconnected world, your message shouldn't be limited by language. You deserve to reach a global audience, to connect with people from all walks of life. InVideo AI's video translation feature makes this effortless. With support for over 50 languages, you can now share your videos with the world without the need for expensive dubbing or subtitling services. The AI accurately translates your video's audio and text, ensuring that your message is conveyed clearly and effectively, no matter the language. Expand your reach, break down communication barriers, and share your story with the world with InVideo AI's powerful video translation capabilities. Section 4. Your creative wish list. The magic box for advanced customization. InVideo AI's magic box is where creativity knows no bounds. This innovative feature allows you to give direct commands to the AI using natural language. Want to change the background of a scene to a tropical beach? Simply type in your request. Need to add a text overlay with a specific font and animation? The magic box has you covered. The possibilities are endless. The magic box empowers you to make granular edits, to fine-tune every aspect of your video without needing any technical expertise. It's like having a personal video editor at your beck and call, ready to bring your most ambitious creative visions to life. Section 5. The power of control, fine-tuning your video masterpiece. InVideo AI excels at creating a solid foundation for your video. But it also understands that you, the creator, are the ultimate visionary. That's why InVideo AI gives you granular control over every element. Fine-tune transitions, adjust the pacing, experiment with different color palettes. Don't like a particular stock footage clip? Swap it out with another from the vast library. Want to emphasize a specific message? Add a text overlay with a bold font and attention-grabbing animation. This level of control ensures that your final video isn't just good, it's uniquely yours, a reflection of your brand's voice and your creative vision. The time revolution, efficiency at your fingertips. Time is precious. We all crave more of it. In a world of deadlines and distractions, finding the time to create high-quality videos can feel impossible. InVideo AI changes the game. It compresses what used to be hours, even days of work, into a streamlined process. Imagine condensing script writing, footage selection, editing, and audio mixing into a single, intuitive platform. That's the power of InVideo AI. It empowers you to work smarter, not harder, to reclaim your time without sacrificing quality. Spend less time wrestling with complicated software and more time doing what truly matters, sharing your vision with the world. Leveling the playing field, accessibility for all. For too long, professional quality video creation has been held hostage by expensive software, specialized skills, and hefty budgets. InVideo AI shatters these barriers. It democratizes video creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise or financial resources. Small business owners can now create compelling marketing videos. Educators can develop engaging lesson content. Artists can share their creative visions with the world, all without breaking the bank or spending countless hours learning complex software. InVideo AI empowers the storyteller in everyone. Quality without compromise. Elevating your video standards. Ease of use shouldn't come at the expense of quality. InVideo AI understands this. That's why it doesn't just simplify video creation, it elevates it. The AI-powered engine ensures that your videos are visually stunning with seamless transitions, captivating stock footage, and professionally crafted audio. Gone are the days of amateur-looking videos with jarring cuts and low-quality visuals. InVideo AI empowers you to create videos that look and feel as polished as those produced by experienced professionals. Elevate your brand. Captivate your audience with videos that stand out from the crowd. From dream to reality, breaking down creative barriers. We all have stories to tell, ideas to share, visions for the future. But often, the gap between our imagination and the final product can feel insurmountable. InVideo AI bridges that gap. It empowers you to transform your creative visions into reality without the limitations of technical hurdles or time constraints. Imagine having the freedom to experiment with different styles, to test out various narratives, to truly explore the full potential of your ideas. InVideo AI makes this possible. It's time to unleash your inner storyteller, to share your unique voice with the world. InVideo AI isn't just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in how we approach video creation. It represents the future of video, a future where creativity is democratized, where anyone can share their stories with the world, and where the power of AI is harnessed to amplify human potential. It's a future where time constraints no longer stifle our imagination, where technical barriers crumble before our ambition, and where the only limit is the scope of our dreams. Embrace the future of video creation. Embrace the power of InVideo AI. Your story is waiting to be told. We've talked about the power of InVideo AI, its intuitive design, its advanced features, its potential to revolutionize video creation. But the true magic of InVideo AI comes alive in the real world. Every day, people from all walks of life are using InVideo AI to achieve incredible things, to launch businesses, to educate and inspire, to connect with audiences in profound ways. Let's step into the shoes of these creators, to see how InVideo AI has empowered them to overcome challenges, to achieve their goals, and to share their unique voices with the world. These are their stories, stories of creativity unleashed, of barriers broken, and of the transformative power of InVideo AI. Section 2, The Entrepreneur's Edge: Launching Dreams with InVideo AI. Meet Sarah, a passionate baker with a dream, to share her love of sourdough bread with the world. She had the recipes, the drive, but lacked the resources for expensive video marketing. Then she discovered InVideo AI. Using just her phone and a simple script, Sarah created a series of captivating videos showcasing her baking process, her unique sourdough creations, and her infectious enthusiasm. She shared these videos on social media, her website, and even used them for local farmers market promotions. The result? Her customer base exploded. Orders poured in. Sarah's dream was taking flight, all thanks to the power of InVideo AI. InVideo AI gave me the tools to compete with larger businesses, Sarah shares. I never thought creating professional-looking videos could be so easy and affordable. Section 3. Educating and inspiring InVideo AI in the classroom and beyond. Mark, a high school history teacher, always struggled to engage his students. Textbooks felt dry, lectures one-sided. He yearned for a way to bring history to life, to make it resonate with his tech-savvy students. Enter InVideo AI. Mark started incorporating short, engaging videos into his lessons. He used InVideo AI to create mini documentaries about historical events, to animate maps and timelines, and even to develop interactive quizzes to reinforce learning. The impact was undeniable. Students were more engaged, more curious, more eager to participate. History was no longer a collection of dates and names. It was a living, breathing story. InVideo AI has transformed my classroom, Mark explains. It's helped me reach my students in ways I never thought possible, making learning fun and effective. Section 4. Amplifying Voices, Nonprofits, Harnessing the Power of InVideo AI. For nonprofit organizations, every dollar counts. Every message matters. Yet, limited resources often hinder their ability to create compelling video content that drives awareness and inspires action. Clean Water for All, a small nonprofit dedicated to providing clean drinking water to underserved communities, faced this challenge. They had a powerful story to tell but lacked the budget for professional video production. InVideo AI provided the solution. Using readily available footage, impactful music, and heartfelt narration, they created a series of videos that showcased their work, shared stories of impact, and inspired viewers to donate. InVideo AI has been a game changer for us, says the organization's director. It's given us a voice, allowing us to reach a wider audience and amplify our message of hope and change. Section 5. Your Story Matters. Join the InVideo AI revolution. These are just a few glimpses into the real-world impact of InVideo AI. Stories of entrepreneurs, educators, and changemakers who have harnessed the power of AI to elevate their work, to connect with audiences, and to make a difference. Their stories prove that you don't need a Hollywood budget or years of experience to create captivating videos. All you need is a story to tell, and the right tools to tell it. InVideo AI empowers you to break free from limitations, to unleash your creativity, to share your unique voice with the world. Join the InVideo AI revolution. Your story matters, and it deserves to be seen. Section 1. InVideo AI, the future of storytelling. We've journeyed through the capabilities of InVideo AI. We've explored its intuitive design, its advanced features, and its potential to reshape video creation as we know it. But more importantly, we've witnessed its real-world impact. From entrepreneurs launching their dreams to educators igniting passions in their students, InVideo AI is breaking down barriers and empowering individuals to share their stories with the world. No longer is video creation limited to those with extensive resources or technical expertise. InVideo AI has democratized this powerful medium, making it accessible to anyone with a vision and a desire to connect. It's a testament to the power of technology to amplify human creativity and to foster a more inclusive and diverse media landscape. As we move forward, the potential of InVideo AI is limitless. It's not just about creating videos, it's about unlocking human potential, one story at a time. Section 2. Embrace the power. Start creating today. The future of video creation is here, and it's within your grasp. InVideo AI provides the tools, you hold the stories. Don't let time constraints, technical hurdles, or budgetary limitations hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of InVideo AI. Transform your ideas into captivating videos that engage, inspire, and leave a lasting impact. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an educator, a marketer, or simply someone with a story to tell, InVideo AI is your creative ally. Start creating today. The world is waiting to hear your voice, to experience your vision, and to be moved by your story. With InVideo AI, anything is possible. Unlock your video potential. Start creating with InVideo AI today.